na rin yung lecture. So, tinatapos ko ideals ko for my 9 AM prac class. Natapos ko na rin yung lecture. So, ito siya. And then, ito yung ideals. Okay lang. Madali lang siya. Mostly revision siya ng, ayan. Slate. And it's, ano pala, time check.
Extension, and then a bold section, and then you go back to extension.
We know a lot. Hello. So it's Feb 3 and it's officially actually 2025 kasi hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari noong January pero i-ignore na lang natin siya. It's okay. Ito yung start ng bagong taon. Pero Monday ngayon and hindi ako umatan ng lectures ko which is supposedly from 9 to 10 and then 10 to 12. Nagpuwet ako kahapon to be fair para mag-aral. So, ayan o. Yun yung lunch ko ngayon kasi yung oras 11:30 na. Pero ayan. Tapos may iba pa akong readings doon. Tapos ginamit ko nga yung printer ko kagabi kasi baka masira na siya kasi nakatenga lang talaga. I'm back. 10% na lang yung phone ko pero hindi ko na siya i-charge para hindi ako ma-distract kasi walang reason para i-message ko ng kahit sino kasi sino tayo. Tapos packing my bag. And naka-sweater pa ako nung mainit. Oo. Pero tingnan ko. Dito ako pa. Ay, kasi ito na-start ko na siya kasi hindi pa. Ano, ang ganda sa mga dapat pala ito pinakita ko sa TikTok. Tapos ito, mag-discount management. Guys. Tinatawa na ako Okay, hello. So, I guess, para may interesting naman na part dito. Hindi to haul kasi binili ko na to before pero magbubukas lang ako kasi wala na akong ganun. So, technically, skincare empties vlog siya. So, super love ko tong toner na to. Feeling ko meron akong vlog na to na kung kailan ko sila pinurchase pero favorite ko rin to. Especially under makeup soap. Tapos, ito rin din na moisturizer. Oops. Hello, good AM. Sorry, hindi ko na-take into account na may ganyan pala sa mukha ko. Pero, yes, uniform day today. Kapag nag-get ready, yun yung pinaka-productive na time ever sa buong buhay ko. So, ayan. Pero, ang interesting, kasi i-share ko lang para ma-retain yung information. Apparently, sa ACL reconstruction, so, may ligament sa knee, tinatawag na anterior cruciate ligament. So, ito yung dalawang bones, nagko-cross siya from anterior tibia to posterior femur. Tapos, pag naputol siya, kukuha sila ng tendon somewhere else. Usually, yung common na grafts na ginagamit is tendinosis from hamstring or gracilis. Lahat yun sa posterior thigh. Tapos, yung nangyayari with ligamentization, which is the process of turning a tendon, for example, into a ligament, is namamatay yung cells. Which makes sense, kasi ganun din yung process sa kapag may fracture ka, diba? Pag may fracture ka, usually, okay, sa scaffold, dadamihan, magkakaroon ng flood ng blood dun sa area of fracture. Tapos, magkakaroon ng scaffolding of like very basic, very fragile bone cells. Pero after a while, kakainin yun ng osteoclast and then magsa-start mag-rebuild ng stronger bone cells yung body. Tapos ayun na yung magkakaroon ka na ng normal bone. Pero again, process siya of like eating away dead cells and then building stronger, more stress-resistant cells. Tapos ganun din yung nangyayari sa ligamentization. So honestly, with ACL reconstruction, yung patient is strongest day 1 post-op and then they decline until week 12, I believe. Which is how long it takes para mag-rebuild yung ligament. Pero that doesn't mean the structures around it can't be trained. So technically at week 13 pwedeng strong yung quads mo, yung muscle surrounding the knee mo, pero yung ligament mo mismo hindi. So, mas prone ka to injury when you're doing twists, when you're navigating yung parang mga agility training, ganun. Anyway, yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung isasama ko yun kasi kita niyo naman itong itsura ko. Pero, ayun na, fun fact. Of course, the one time I don't attend cardio rescue classes, they have a Kahoot. Hello, Bruce. Oh, sorry, Bruce. I don't think we're supposed to disrobe him. Oh, this was so freaky. He's technically human.
Do I look ridiculous doing this?
You know what's funny? You asking that, like,
And then she's like, do I look retarded? Yes, you do.
do you want the true answer? Whoa. That's not a photo. It's, what time is it?
It's 9.
9.
This is 9 p.m.
9 p.m. and we're still gonna study until,
And we're actually planning on waking up tomorrow early, right?
yeah, 7 a.m.
We want to come here at 7.
Yeah.
Wake up at 6. Yeah.
No. We wake up at 5.
Oh,
No,
okay,
I'm
wake
just
up.
joking. Hindi siya halata sa camera, pero as in sobrang putla ng mukha ko. Okay, anyway, let's go! Oh, diba? Hindi ako mukhang 1 a.m. na tulog. Okay, let's go. Hiking. Wait, maybe Hello, everyone. We awake from the bed. I had lunch mga 11:30 to 12. Tapos, kakagising ko lang ngayon 4 p.m. As in, tumba talaga ako mga sizi. Reality check. Kailangan na naman natin maglaba. And also, grocery. Not gonna lie, babe. Hindi natatapos ang peligro ng pag-aaral. Honestly, na-enjoy ko talaga yung inaaral. Kaya parang yung mga exam, para siyang, para siyang masaya naman siya. Ayun, sobrang, guys, as in, parang kasi, for yung cases dun sa exam, diba? Tapos per case, merong mga sub-questions. Basically, dinaisect ko talaga lahat ng choices. Tapos yung mas mahirap pa is, management. And so, everywhere dissected. Tapos kapag may nakakita ko ng pattern, tingnan niyo, upper limb versus lower limb approach. Tapos kung ano yung reason sa management, ganyan. Yan, exact ko siya. Lumabas yun sa case. Lumabas to sa case. Yung mortise shift, Weber fracture. The morning of the exam, sinusulat ko yung lahat ng kaya kong maalala. So, kunwari ito, generic approach ko with cases. Like screening. Kasi for this subject, ang tinuturo talaga sa amin is approach. So, lagi, ginawa ko is, for any case, screen, red flag, sinister serious pathology, location, neurovascular complication, ganyan. So, location is in clearing other joints. So, kunwari, knee injury siya, clear mo yung hips, clear mo yung ankles, ayun. Tapos, other dislocation, di ba, lumabas. Splint slabs, akalagay everything, cast splint slabs. Lahat ng notes ko doon and lahat ng kailangan i-check. 2 case slings. Fractured clavicle, hindi masyado, pero nakakuha kami ng neck of humerus. So, medyo close. Guys, honestly, medyo adrenaline talaga yung tumulak sa akin during the exam. Ayun, sobrang rewarding. Pero, ngayon, next na exam namin is next Friday. So, exactly a week from now. And practical exam siya for exercise rehabilitation, which is mostly cardio rest focus. So, yung practical, meron kaming auscultation, spirometry, peak flow, and observation palpation. So, may patient kami, and then run through namin yung supervisor namin, ano yung nakikita namin, ano yung observations namin, posture, kung mayroon redness, blah blah blah, accessory muscle use, ganyan, and yung observation of pattern of breathing. So kung madaming front and back breathing versus lateral, ganyan. And clinical reasoning questions which is about nung magiging case kasi lahat kami normal. So,
Just left, chillax.
And then after that, we have 2 days.
influencers in the
We are
wild.
spiraling. But
Yeah.
before that, I took a nap, so it's like less of a spiraling. It's more of a calm down. Yeah.
Okay, let's just walk away from Toby.
We put the tape down, so now we're going to do tape.
Birthday to you, hey. Day to you.
There's an extra.
I knew she was gonna do that. That's why I had the camera ready.
I'm gonna get it more.
Then we need all of us together to take it.
No.
No? Okay.
That's
Bye,
a lot.
Ira.
It's a lot of.
I think they should
caffeine.
sponsor us at this point. Honestly, we need a
Just-
sponsorship.
right?
Yeah, wait, who
Send
has
us a box.
You have a YouTube channel, so be
Yeah,
like
but-
endorse.
And
So positive.
why are you guys? I'm not taking a little.
Just, you know what? Just do this. Just do this, guys. Like, do this.
And then we don't know who's who.
Then we know.
The one odd one out.